It's Jakaya. I'm on the other channel. I am not on my personal channel. Okay. So today I'm gonna be adding these little things right here. These little things into this pink slime right here. I'm gonna take it out the camera. I don't know why I just did that, but I'm gonna be doing stuff and adding this to it. And I got another slime. I'm not gonna add none to that though.
Oh no!
Oh, I love this show. Well,
my
Robot Chicken. Whoa!
Kaya. No.
Alright, and what else am I gonna be doing? I hate this little black thing right here, because y'all won't be able to see my face. I love it. It's a very good texture. My sister behind me. Oh, well, yeah. And I'm gonna hurry up and take this shh. ASMR. Kira, cut that down.
I know. I'm trying to cut this off your phone like you're dumb.
Cut it off.
I did. Look, it still go back the sound.
Let me see my phone. Cut it all the way off. Power off. Hold the thing.
I did.
Is it black?
Hold on.
Yeah. Alright, now cut it back on.
I did. I pressed power off and restart. You been drinking my tea?
No. Yeah, I have. I didn't know. Alright, but put it back on the charger. But what I'm about to like rate the things I do with my slime, like poke test, stretching stuff. Then I put the like accessories in there. Then I move on to the next slime. Oh my god. Alright.
Blue. Freaking baby,
What
bro.
is that? Oh my god, it's a phone bee.
Oh, it found it.
Cuz, put it on the charger.
It is. I just put it on the charger now.
Y'all, it's not sticky.
I'm finna do it musically. So don't
I
mind
don't
me.
have a musically.
Yes, I do.
I don't.
I know you don't.
How you gonna do it?
I got my own phone.
The what's the name?
Do it.
The one with the what's the name? The pop socket.
No.
What phone? The new phone? The one with the pop socket. How? How? Yeah, how you gonna do it with the pop socket? The one with the pop socket. It don't work, don't it?
I'm not doing it.
What are you doing it with then?
My new phone.
What new phone?
My new phone, bro.
From Metro PCS?
Yes.
You didn't download musically.
I did.
Oh.
Mama actually did it for me.
Alright. Let me do it right now. I'm about to do the bubble test. Oh yeah. Bubble test, I rated it 8.5. Hold on, popping test. Hold on, I don't know fully sure now. Still don't know. Y'all can't see my face, I'm so mad. I still see it like this. Let me scoot up though. Oh my gosh. My god. Well, you guys okay? I still don't know, but I'm about to do something so I can know. Hold on.
3. Kaya saw 3.
That's with my phone. That's not Musically. That's YouTube, girl.
Do this. Why would you say that? I was trying to prank them.
Oh. That's funny.
It's not funny anymore.
Man, I didn't know. How was I
Well, then
supposed
just
to
keep
know?
your mouth closed.
How was I? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright. Alright.
I can't
I
take
rate
the phone.
I rate the let me see first.
Hey.
You know when you like do this stuff and then start popping like white bubbles. I give it a 10 for poppins. Alright, now I'm
Oh
doing
my god.
Now I'm
Phone, bro.
That's the charger.
No, that's you.
That's the charger. Cause when it was on the other one, it ain't do that. That's the charger. Oh yeah, popping sounds is 10.
When it was on my phone, on my phone, he wasn't doing it.
That's not my phone.
This is your phone.
No, it's not.
This is your phone.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's not the phone.
This ain't your phone.
I said it's not the phone that's messing up.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. It's not the one. Alright, I get the poking sounds. I don't know because I ain't gonna get it close to the camera.
You will have to give me this, like, sorry, bro.
I give it a 9. Cause hey, my things for popping was a 9. A 9. No, my thing for what's it called? Oh, my thing for bubbles. My thing for bubbles was a 9.5, and my poppins. My poppins was a 10, and this is a 10. No, my pokins are a 10. No, I said they were a 9. Yeah, I said they were a 9. After this, I'm gonna slime. I'm gonna do ASMR. All right, now got to stretch. My stretching thing. Do not use my keys.
I don't want to use your keys.
Sure, I got 19. I used them already on that little robot. Lucy.
Girl.
What's that girl? I didn't use them because I had to earn hats. The Jake sister, what's her name? Jake's sister, what's his name? On Subway Surf.
I gotta go back and look.
Y'all go to Academy for backpacks. Oh my goodness.
Their backpacks are so freaking cute.
Sponsor this video because they got all types of bags. They got Adidas backpacks, Under Armour, emojis.
They get us in the with the way. You got 17 kids.
They got them emojis. Oh, for the stretching.
Oh, Kai, you got some coins.
I give it a 10. Do not use them.
I don't want your coins.
I get for stretching. I give it a 10. So far.
I'm making you win coins. I'm giving
I got
you coins.
2 10s, I think, and 2 9s.
I was giving you coins. I gave you some coins.
Don't make my score bad. If you make my score bad, I won't be mad at you. I'm not gonna let you on my phone anymore.
Your score is good.
Why do you look like that?
It's on a lot.
Y'all look at mine. Oh my good. But
Come
you
on,
don't like,
catch
you
up,
don't like my
freaky
hair.
fatty.
Don't let him catch up to you.
And you
That little
never
ugly
catch
old,
up.
that little ugly old dog.
That
Right.
dog is not ugly.
It is. It's me. Ooh, matter of fact, all animals in the world are beautiful. For real. That's how I feel.
Angels are beautiful.
I was just, it was all jokes for
Oh,
the Subway
sure,
Surfer
you
dog.
not catching up with
Ugly.
me. You not catching up with
It's all
me.
jokes.
Because you fat. And I jumped on the little train. What you about to do? And I'm finna go up in the sky. What you about to do? Stay on the ground.
Stop saying him. Stop calling him a fatty. Everybody else calls him Nice Man, Mr. Nice Man. I don't think he nice if he trying to get me in, and all I was doing was just paying the trains.
Well, Doug against the law, I guess. Oh, you're not finna get up to me.
He about to get him. He got you, didn't he?
Yep, because I ran into something. I worked out to the
Pay attention. Y'all, she can't beat my high score. Like, alright, there was the stretching is a 10. Alright, now I'm about to add the like little things to it. Boom. Accessories. I actually don't know what they call. I forgot. Now I'm about to do the ASMR.
Yeah.
Alright, Kira, turn it down.
Okay.
No, you gotta turn it all the way down.
Okay, no, it's gonna distract me.
Turn it all the way down. Let's do ASMR.
Okay. Get your ASMR.
Shh.
Make sure my phone don't die.
You play too much.
What?
Yeah, I said I was doing ASMR and you over here talking.
I said don't make sure my phone die. Make sure mama phone don't die.
You should have told me after I was doing ASMR. So rude. Yeah, she just ruined the whole ASMR. But I'm about to do it again. Alright. That's it for that pink ASMR. Sorry for the first ASMR. My sister was being very rude and I'm so sorry for that. Oh, I got extra slime. Oh my gosh. My sister was being very rude. But don't spam her in the comments though. Just say y'all guys are lit. Next time is my blue ocean slime. It's like a watery, jiggly type. TV back up. Kika's still down?
Yes.
Dang,
I got a 1.
This is like a jiggly. Let me show y'all. Can y'all see it though? Oh my god. Sorry for the what's the name though. Oh my goodness, I can't show y'all. Oh my gosh. Alright. That's enough for that. Look. Let me get everything out the way.
the
He's like cool. This is also, oh, I forgot to tell y'all, the other one was made with some glitter glue. This is also made with glitter glue, but like I put water in this, hot water, so we can get jiggly. Y'all use just warm water, like type of water, but I use hot water for mine to get jiggly. Oh no, I better. Alright. Let me do the things. The bubbles. I give it a 9. I give the bubbles a 9. No, I give the bubbles a 10. Yeah, I give it a 10. On the last one, I had 2 10s and 2 9s. 2 10s and 2 9s. So this is my first 10 on this one. The next one, I'm gonna do the poppings. Oh my goodness.
Kai, this girl you got, she the best. You're the best girl on her.
Lucy.
Mhm.
She with the one with the mohawk thingy.
Mhm.
I know. I bought her another suit too. Alright. 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 I give these poppings like a 9.3. Wanna know why? Yes, you do. Because the poppings, when I pop it, kind of sounds like water, and I don't like that. See, hold on. Like, it's not like the fully popping. You heard it? I don't like it. If y'all can't hear it, it's okay, but cause it's not important anyway. All right, that's 1 9 and 1 10. My next is my pokings. My pokings. I do my pokings. Hold on.
Yes, I'm glad I won one of these trains.
Alright, I give this poking like a 9. Yeah, cause it's like when you poke it, it's kind of hard. And it also got this like bead in it. If y'all can see it, hold on, where it go? Where the bead go? Oh, there it go. Y'all can see the bead. Hold on. Y'all see, got this bead. I only decided to put 1 bead because I thought it was gonna be fancy, and like you can definitely feel the bead. Not like feel it, but oh yeah, I give it a 9 because like it's too jiggly. Well, it's not too jiggly. It's like way too jiggly, but not that jiggly. If you guys understand what I'm trying to say, put it down in the comments.
Okay.
I'm also gonna sell slime during school, so I can make some money. Cause I mean, my they need a stack up. Not just to that, so I can buy more slime ingredients for myself, so I can make slime for myself, and obviously for the people. And I'm about to give it a stretch test. Kind of questionable. give this thing. I'll give this a 10 with the stretching. Now I'm about to do ASMR.
Alright, hold on.
You know what to do, man. Alright.
Don't put me on the camera. Look at Miss.
Shut up. Y'all, it's over with the ASMR. Both of the ASMRs are wrong, all because of my sister.
You can do just one word. Dang.
I told her, don't talk.
Until we don't talk on that one, so.
I told her, don't
Your
talk.
mistake.
It's not my mistake. You know not to talk when I'm doing ASMR.
Girl, you should have
She did it twice.
Well, you should have told
But
me.
it's okay.
You shoulda told me.
Alright, now I'm going to take both of these slimes out. Look at this. Oh my god. Look at this, y'all.
Come on.
Oh my god. Stop it.
Let me stop.
Look at this. And look at this. To be honest. Oh my goodness, they're mixed. That is terrible. No. Most of my blue
Oh, I see.
is in my pink. Most of my pink is kind of in blue, but I'm like, oh my god, it's about to turn to purple. I don't want it to turn to purple. I'm just about to mix this in because it's not going to change the color. It's going to stay blue. See, look, stay blue. And this is just mix it in because it won't change the color either. See,
What
still
name is Drake?
pink. But yeah, the ratings of both of these slimes in ASMR, I give this a 8.7. Give this a 9.